Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Israel. The link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on link voyafly.com eSIM link, alright, and open this web page and click on this and write and click on this. Open new page, settings, eSIM, 4G, 5G data, high speed, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number and instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, scroll down and select unlimited data or fixed data. I recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plan, light, plus or premium. I recommend plus or premium. I'm selected premium and select your days. Alright, I'm select 30 days and write amount eSIM 1, 2, 3 eSIM and it came. Right, I'm select 1 and click on buy it now. Alright, open this and click on this and write discount code ROAM tips, no space, alright, and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips $23.50, alright, this is very good, and click on Google Pay and buy SIM or write email address, payment, billing address and click on buy now and open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code, eSIM and instruction activation. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.